The Magnetic Fidget Pen by Felikray is a unique product that blends the utility of a writing instrument with the interactive fun of a magnetic fidget toy. It is designed for both adults and teens, making it an intriguing gift option for young men, teens, and anyone who enjoys tactile engagement alongside practical use. This pen is not just a tool for writing, but a versatile gadget that offers stress relief and creative play through its magnetic components. It is marketed as a novelty Christmas stocking stuffer and a personalized gift, appealing to those looking for something different and engaging. The pen is constructed from premium metal and plastic materials, giving it a sturdy feel and a cool touch. It measures approximately 6 inches in length and is lightweight enough to carry around comfortably. The design is cylindrical and sleek with an azure color option that adds a modern aesthetic. One of the standout features of this pen is its deformation toy capability, which means you can alter its shape on a whim, allowing endless possibilities for creative configurations. This feature makes it more than just a pen. It becomes a fidget toy that can keep hands busy and minds engaged. Users have praised the pen for its dual functionality. Many reviews highlight the surprise and delight in finding that the pen writes well despite its complex magnetic design. It serves as a practical writing instrument while also offering a satisfying fidget experience. This combination is particularly appreciated by those who want a discreet fidget toy that doesn't draw too much attention but still provides a tactile outlet for stress and anxiety. The pen's magnetic pieces can be rearranged to create various shapes and forms, which adds a layer of creativity and engagement beyond simple fidgeting. The packaging of the product is notable for its quality and presentation. It comes in a heavy box that contains numerous parts organized neatly, which adds to the unboxing experience. The inclusion of an idea card is a thoughtful touch, providing inspiration and demonstrating the pen's creative potential. This helps users understand the possibilities and encourages them to experiment with different configurations. However, the pen is not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported that the magnetic pieces do not always stay together firmly, especially with frequent use or when the pen is resting on a surface. This issue may be due to the strength of the magnets and the design of the connecting parts, which can sometimes lead to pieces detaching unexpectedly. While this does not detract from the overall enjoyment of the pen, it is something to consider for those seeking a long-term, durable fidget tool. Another challenge noted by some reviewers is the difficulty in manipulating the strong magnets. While the magnetic strength ensures pieces hold together well, it also makes rearranging the parts a bit tricky, especially for younger users or those with less dexterity. The small magnetic balls and parts can occasionally slip away, requiring careful handling. Additionally, the lack of detailed instructions on how to change or replace parts can lead to some frustration, particularly for children or first-time users. Despite these minor issues, the pen is generally well received for its quality and versatility. The magnetic components appear durable and are expected to last through regular use. The pen itself writes smoothly, making it a functional tool for note-taking, drawing, or everyday writing tasks. Many users have found it helpful in settings where keeping hands busy aids concentration, such as during meetings, classes, or church services. The pen's ability to serve multiple purposes, writing, fidgeting, and creative building, makes it a standout product in the category of magnetic toys and stress relief gadgets. It appeals to a wide audience, from teens who enjoy novelty and interactive toys to adults looking for a discreet way to manage stress. The magnetic fidget pen encourages imaginative play and provides a satisfying sensory experience, which can be beneficial for focus and relaxation. In summary, the Felikray Magnetic Fidget Pen is a thoughtfully designed product that successfully merges function with fun. It offers a unique solution for those who want a practical pen that doubles as an engaging fidget toy. While it has some limitations regarding magnet strength and piece stability, its creativity, quality, and stress relief benefits outweigh these concerns. It makes an excellent gift for teens and adults alike, especially for those who appreciate gadgets that stimulate both mind and hands. For anyone interested in exploring a new kind of writing instrument that also serves as a creative outlet and stress reliever, this magnetic fidget pen is a worthy consideration. The link to purchase is in the description below, and if you have this item, please leave a review to help others make an informed decision.